Snackland! Snackland! Hey guys, we're at Snackland.
Whoa. What the heck?
Cereal.
Whoa!
Cereal.
Hey, they don't have it here. Whoa, look how big these chips are.
I want
Stop.
cereal.
You're not pretty.
Oh my god, look how much this fills up.
Okay, look how big this. It's heavy. This is heavy.
It's not heavy.
With one hand. Wait, what? Sort of. Like it has a little bit of a weight.
Dude, you should get that.
See how big that is? So we're at Snackland right now.
Snackland?
Let's go look around. Apparently they have everything. They do not have. Mr. has these! These! They're really good.
Whoa.
Have peanut.
I want this! But it's so much money.
$7.99.
Dude. That's like more money than you have right now. I'm just kidding. Yeah, like thousands.
I'm going to show you. Snackland!
We at Snackland.
This is Snackland. Let's go walk around.
That's done. I already picked my thing.
As you can see, there's Snackland. A bunch of candy.
My
Candy. Whoa, so cool. Yay.
What else should we get?
This is not fun.
Don't forget it all.
Look at the wheels. Oh my god. Becky, get me and Hannah were like this. She was like, oh my god. I was like, Becky, look at her. And then this man was staring at me and he was like, and I was like, look at her butt. And he's like, and I just ran away.
Whoa, they got chips. They have small bags of chips too.
So bye, that's it.